Hello guys, so today I want to show you a demo of the driving school software that I have developed. So I'm going to show you the demo. So as you can see here, I have already installed it on my PC. It's called Moshe Dereva. So you're just going to double click on it. Then you're going to log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just click on register. Then it should be able to take you to this register page or username, full name, the other details. Since I have an account, I'm just going to use this the username and the password, and I'm going to log in. After logging in, I'm going to come to the admin section. So if you're an admin, you're going to access this only, this and the rest, of course. Since I'm an admin, I'm accessing the admin section and the other details. So the dashboard belongs to the admin. You have the total courses, full courses, half courses, the enrollment of the courses. And then you have the users section. Now this users section includes people who are going to access this system. So you can add a user, their details and their role. They can be an admin or a user. Of course, I can add more request and the location of the particular user. You can edit them and you can also delete them. After that, you're going to get the log section. Now this log section is for, of course, auditing purposes. If somebody did something to the system, you can just always see them on this log. And then after there, you're going to come to the details section. Now for the details, you have this school details, whereby you're going to add the details of the school. So you have added them, you cannot add them anymore. That is, you only have one because it's per school. You can edit the details, you can delete them, and you can also view the log. In this case, I'm using unique driving school. So these details are going to be used in printing of the reports and receipts. And then you can come in the courses section. Here you're going to add all the list of all the courses that you're going to have, and the requirements, the vehicles, and the categories. Then you can also generate a list, a PDF list of a list of all the courses for the school. Because you can come where it's installed, reports, analysis, courses list. Then you're going to get a list of all the courses, the course, the vehicle, the category, the other details. Because you can edit them and you can also delete them and you can search them. And then you're going to come to the list of vehicles, whereby you're going to add a vehicle. If a new vehicle has just arrived, you can edit the vehicle, you can delete it, and you can even view more details. And you can generate a PDF list of all the vehicles. As you can see, registration number, the model, the next service, and the insurance expiry. From there, you're going to come to the student section, where you can add a new student and their specific details plus their passport. You can delete them, you can edit and do the rest. You can also generate them, and you also can search. And then you can come here to the payment section, where you can add a payment of the student and it's automatically deducted. You can generate a report and just show an example. You can generate a report of all the payments for the students, of course, in this statement. In this case, you can see specific students paid this amount of money, the amount of money that has been generated at a given period of time, total cash, total M-Pesa, and so on. Then you can also generate fee statement for a student, say since 1st January to date. You can view how much they have paid and how much they still owe. So this is a reference for the M-Pesa. Then we have for the latest payment was 4,000 just today. And then you can also search, of course, you can add a new payment and so on. Then you can also come to this receipt. You can generate receipts within this payment, save it in the downloads. You come to the download section, you can see the receipt. So the receipt, you have the detail, the logo, you have the details here, the receipt from the details of the payment in short. And you have a student copy and you have a school copy. And then you can have the expenses section. So any expense incurred, you can just generate it here, and then the expenses here, the amount, so on. And generate the PDF. So basically that's the application, and more details can be added when you just integration custom can be added. So I also make these kinds of application. You can contact me for more details.